We're standing here in the bird chamber of the trees of the future. In this glass house, the trees are being grown that will be planted in our cities in the future. The climate in our cities is changing rapidly. And I think there's a sense of urgency among growers and tree officers that we have to select other trees for the future. Trees better adapted to our rigid city climate. I'm very proud to organize on June 20th, together with the people from Nursery Betouwen, where this event will be held, to organize a seminar on this important discussion. Please visit us at climatetrees.eu. I hope you will all join our event.